Master the fuel import feature in FleetOnGo, designed for fleet managers seeking to automate fuel data entry and enhance operational oversight. Go to the Vehicle section, select Fuel Management, and click on Fuel Import to proceed. Download the Excel file by clicking Custom and fill in the necessary fields in the downloaded sheet. You can choose any one from HPCL, Indian Oil, or Bharat Oil based on your preference. Download a sample file to understand the format needed, facilitating a smoother import process. Enter the required details. Transaction ID must be unique. Select the date, enter dealer name, volume, rate, amount, odometer, not less than the last reading, and vehicle number. Click Choose File to upload the Excel sheet. Save your import settings and data. This guide covered the complete fuel import functionality, helping you streamline fuel data management and optimize fleet operations. Thank you for choosing FleetOnGo for your fleet management needs.